ULTRAMAN, here he comes from the sky. ULTRAMAN, ULTRAMAN, watch our hero fly. In a super jet he comes from a billion miles away, from a distant planet land. Comes our hero, ULTRAMAN. ULTRAMAN, here he comes from the sky. ULTRAMAN, ULTRAMAN, watch our hero fly. In a super jet he comes from a billion miles away, from a distant planet land. Comes our hero, ULTRAMAN.
3 days ago, a super rocket was launched, loaded with 6 nuclear bombs to be used in the development of the planet Jupiter. However, something went wrong with the rocket. One of the nuclear bombs exploded deep in the ocean, causing a gigantic tidal wave. Four of the unexploded nuclear bombs have been recovered from these areas. The other one hasn't been found yet. Right now, all naval vessels are carefully searching the bottom of the sea for that missing bomb. The safety locks were off on the 4 bombs that were recovered. And so, no doubt, the lock is also off on the one that's lost. This is what the bomb looks like. Study it closely. Pressure can set the detonator, and a pilot light switches on. 20 seconds later, it will explode, and it's atomic. Oh, that means that ships will be destroyed. They won't have a chance, and a big part of the ocean will become radioactive if it explodes. There's more danger. If the tide should push the bomb in this direction, a large part of our city could be destroyed.
I'm ready.
Ready for what, Ito?
Huh? As a member of the Science Patrol, I'm ready to begin searching for the missing bomb. Shall we go?
You're to stay here.
Oh?
Our orders are to stay here at headquarters and use our heads.
Use my head?
They want us to find it without having to go underwater.
Oh, no, that's impossible, sir. The sea stretches out for thousands of miles.
Let's try to figure a way.
Uh-huh.
Hi.
Oh. Fuji, you're planning to go on a trip?
I'll see you all later.
But you're going away today? Captain, why is she able to take a vacation while we face a crisis? Right now, we need every brain we've got, and Fuji's is the best.
Take it easy. Don't be so jealous.
Listen, Arashi,
She's entitled to it.
Huh?
Fuji hasn't had a vacation ever since the day she joined the Science Patrol. That's my reason for permitting her to go.
And so, Ito, I'll be staying at the Mamayana Marine Hotel, and I know that I shall enjoy it.
Really? What fun is it when there's no one to share it with?
Don't worry about that. I have a date.
Huh? Who is it?
Go ahead.
That's my secret.
Oh?
Sorry I kept you waiting.
He's your date?
Oh, Shino.
He's a brother.
What's funny? What's going on?
That's a secret.
A strange way to starboard!
great news. A man has survived that ship sinking last night. He's in pretty bad condition. He's delirious and very frightened. He says he saw something. A frightening thing.
It's frightening.
That's what he said.
Captain, what exactly did he see?
I don't know. He hasn't made it clear. Hayata?
Sir?
Go to the hospital. Find out what you can.
Yes, sir.
I saw it. I saw it. I saw its wake. A huge wake coming toward the ship. It was out there, coming toward us. Try to calm him. He's been saying the same thing ever since he was brought into the hospital.
Easy now.
Captain. Captain. Hayata calling.
This is the captain.
He's still delirious. He keeps talking about seeing a wake near the ship.
He says he saw a wake. He's not the only one to see it.
You mean he just didn't imagine it, sir?
We just had a report from an ocean liner. They said they saw a huge churning wake coming toward our coastline. It's going at least 60 miles an hour, and on studying the direction, it's moving away from that ship that was sunk.
If it's moving toward our coastline, we've got to act. Sir, give me my orders.
Well, if it continues on course, it'll land in Chiba near Nojimizaki.
I'll be in Chiba.
In Chiba, Fuji and Hoshino are on vacation.
Hoshino, get ready.
It's now 6-0. You're older than Hoshino, but he's a much better player.
Michiko, please just tell us what the score is.
I did tell you, that's why I say he's better.
You're a pretty talkative little girl.
And you like to tease.
I like to. I just can't help it if I tell you exactly the way you play.
Michiko, it's time to go now. Get down.
I want to stay.
She's
Chico,
enjoying herself.
I want to stay with you, Fuji. Can I?
I'm just going shopping and I'll be back in an hour. Would you mind keeping an eye on Michiko? It'll be a pleasure. You go ahead.
Really? Thank you.
You're very kind. I'll see you later then. And I hope she doesn't cause you any trouble. Goodbye. We just have to make the best of it, Hoshino. Here, it's your turn to play, Michiko.
But I'm hungry, and I like spaghetti and sandwiches.
I see.
Any kind of spaghetti and any kind of sandwiches. They're all delicious, don't you think they are?
You're sure you can eat everything? Are you sure you've got room for it all?
It's too good to leave anything, Fuji.
Oh, what a nice pin that is you've got on.
It's not a pin, exactly.
Hayata, this is the captain. Radar has just reported that they lost trace of that strange wake in the ocean 2 miles off the coast.
Roger. I'll keep heading for the Chiba area as we planned.
That'll be best. Good luck.
I wonder what the strange wake is.
Oh,
What is it?
out there, look. That looks like the wake out there. The one Radar lost.
Headquarters. This is Fuji. This is Fuji. I'm staying at the Mamayana Hotel, and the wake just passed by here. It was moving quickly toward the south.
The south? South? It's changed direction. Thanks. We'll check immediately. Arashi. Sir? You've got to see the wake yourself and find out what's causing it. Use the airship to get there. Right.
Oh, wait. where are you going?
To investigate the mystery. See you later.
Captain?
You stay and do the job that Fuji usually does.
But, sir, I'd like to... You're a lucky guy, Arashi. Bet I'll be doing nothing here.
There, I couldn't have anything else. Michiko. She ate so much, she fell asleep. I'll take her up to her room.
I want to stay here.
Huh?
Ito,
Yes, sir?
take it easy and sit down.
But, Captain...
You know, if Fuji were here, things would go a lot better.
Oh, what do you mean, sir?
Well, she'd get me coffee for one thing.
Coffee? Ah, I'll get it.
Oh, I've just found the wake, Captain.
Look!
We see the wake again. Captain, it looks like it's coming this way.
Get everybody out of the hotel. Who knows what may happen?
Yes, sir.
Hayata, you are to proceed to the Mamayana Hotel. The wake was just seen there.
The hotel? Yes, sir. Captain, here's a cup of coffee for you.
Ito,
Yes, sir. You want me to go to the Mamayana Hotel?
I'd like you to drink it.
I use salt, not sugar.
Captain, this is Hayata.
Where are you, Hayata? Go ahead.
I'm approaching the ferry. It'll take me 20 minutes to get across.
Hurry.
Get as far away from the hotel as you can. Run! Mrs. Fuji, go ahead.
Hayata's on his way. Follow his orders when he gets there.
Yes, all right. Hoshino! Michiko's still in the hotel.
This is Hayata.
Hayata, we know what was causing that wake. It's at the hotel.
Hayata, it's a monster and it's more than 100 feet high. Sounds terrible. I guess it grew to that size from the radiation in the sea. Radiation from the nuclear bomb that exploded.
I'm sure that you're right, but there's additional danger as a result of that rocket accident. I think the monster searched the floor of the sea and managed to locate the bomb that was never found.
I hope not.
The entire place is under tight security. Try to destroy the monster and send a report as soon as you can.
Hurry, Hayata, hurry, get there. This won't go any faster.
Fuji, this is Harashi. Run for the hill. I can land the aircraft 500 yards from there. Quickly!
Let's go!
Hurry, Fuji!
I'm from the Science Patrol. Let me through.
Go ahead, sir.
I shall attempt to blast it. Going in. Arashi, attack and you might hurt the others. Understand? There just might be a chain reaction.
Arashi, I'm on my way. Keep calm.
How can I? That monster's in my sights right this second. Hayata, you must get that nuclear bomb no matter what it costs. Listen, it's up to you. That bomb must not explode. Take care not to get it angry, Arashi. The lives of millions are depending on you.
Arashi, get away. If the bomb drops, it'll go off in 20 seconds.
The children. I've got to help the children get away.
Yes, come on.
Over there. Arashi!
Captain, the ship was just hit. Arashi bailed out. I've an idea. Wild animals like music, don't they?
You're right. We'll try luring it with music. I'm going to try Ito's idea. Get the Coast Guard.
Right. The Coast Guard, right away. Captain, the monster's getting angry. It doesn't like music.
It doesn't like music? We'll stop it then. Tell them to stop.
Cut the music. The monster doesn't like it. I don't understand this, sir. All wild creatures like to listen to music.
Radioactivity's affected it. Whatever instincts that monster had have been completely twisted.
Monster! Over here! Over here! Come and get me! You don't want that kind of passion, do you? Try to get me! Here! Come on! Try to catch me! Yeah, you big monster! Can't catch me! Come on, monster! Come on this way! You couldn't catch me if you tried! Come on! This way! Over here! Come on, monster! You'll never catch me! Come on! Keep coming, keep coming!
Mama!
Give a hand to Arashi.
Hayata.
Go ahead.
I will.
Captain, what'll we do now? I wish Ultraman was here, sir. Ultraman, save them.
Here! Over here! Oh!
Hayata has become Ultraman. Ultraman is here!
Glad to hear it. My wish was heard, I guess.
The energy which Ultraman gets from the sun decreases rapidly in Earth's atmosphere. The energy monitor blinks a warning. Should it stop, it will mean Ultraman will never rise again.
You've got to win. Go ahead. It's going to explode.
Only 10 more seconds and it'll explode.
Ultraman's energy's running
Let's
out.
go! Four, three, two, one, zero.
Arashi, what happened to Ultraman?
I don't know.
Hello.
Oh, Hayata, Ultraman took the bomb out there.
Yes, I know.
Hayata, Ultraman is destroyed, I think.
He sacrificed himself for the good of the Earth and for everyone on it. None of us will ever forget what he has done.
Hayata, he's not really dead, is he? Say he's not.
Oh, he's okay. He's invincible.
Uh-huh.
I know he is.